magselos ka na. Alam ko, hindi ka nagsiselos. Okay, fine. Lagi mo na sinasabi yan eh.
I don't have the right to get jealous.
I've never been jealous. Now lang.
Nah.
So fun. This is so fun. Ano yun? Nagings pa rin tayo? Or?
Oh, baka ganun.
I'm going to do something. Something new.
Good luck sa pagkamay.
This will be good luck. Yummy.
I'm excited. Excited. What's happening na?
Clashing.
Tapos na, gusto nyo? Pagod pa.
Did you eat that? 5 seconds after it comes out of the oil.
Who would imagine long-term shower for?
That feeds all you guys? That feeds all you guys? Oh, no.
Some people...
Gamay na mukhaon og okra.
Really? Uy?
Because we're always short.
Ano?
Veggies and then I'm mixing like the tomato sauce and like... Sarap yan, bro. Mix the tomato sauce and then...
Ay, oo, masarap si Carson mag-beauty.
Sure?
Oh, masarap.
We'll see.
No.
No one dies, I guess that's...
I can cook too, egg.
Egg?
Where did you learn? Oo, magaling.
Just by watching.
Porta ka naman.
Seriously, I don't read more than that.
Wala, dugo. Okay.
Dugo?
Tomorrow, dugo.
Really? Di ba?
Sige. Pasuin mo ako.
How many weeks have we...
Ah!
I just called it.
Dami na natin.
Oo nga naman. Ano nga naman natin mo kanina?
Dami na natin.
Ano naman reaction mo kanina? Gusto ko malaman.
Parang, oh!
Paano?
Vegetables, pero we have a lot of meat. Oh, grabe. So, pero there's a lot of this now.
Balik mo, kasama mo na sila.
You wanna cook? Dang. No, they're gonna cook later. Later na lang.
Oh, sayang mo na sila, Jovi!
Oh, Jovi! I miss Jovi.
Oh my gosh.
Like yours? Does yours do this? Yeah, but the whole sink.
Oh my God, ang dami natin. 18?
Dang!
Hindi ka na. Rexy!
Man, I couldn't contain myself last night, man. Holy cow. You walked in like you were supposed to be there. You're like, what kind of sabi ko kasi, I found that funny. So many times I wanted to spit it out. Especially when you put your nipple in my face.
It's like with James! It's really near.
I was gonna say, he asked us if we know Tagalog, right? I understand a lot, but I'm learning more every day. But I was hoping that I wouldn't understand, so I wouldn't laugh. Why understand?
I will teach you every valid words, you know.
Today?
Yeah, Ivan. Dami niya nang alam. Kahit 4 months pa lang siya dito.
I don't know yet. I don't know where stuff is. Ilan lalaki tayo?
Si Ivan.
Pa ako ng mga bird.
How old are you? Ba't parang?
Parang lang.
Ako.
Mas ganyan.
Ikot.
Ikot ka?
Hey! Alam mo yung joke. Ikaw yung
nag-joke. Alam mo yung joke.
Parang akong sinusumpong.
Parang lang.
Yung
Ex-check ng lola mo. Ako tumalik sa akin.
Ay, kanina pa yan, no?
Ay, nako talaga.
Tingnan mo, bago lang.
Hindi.
Ayoko na kumain. Ivan style.
Bakit di ko na lang? Problematic ka. Ilan tayo? Hindi mo na may problema ka.
18. Di. Dami. Pupuk.
Kaya si April na wala.
I'd go crazy.
Parang masayang-masaya yung isa dito, no? Parang masayang-masaya na yung isa.
Oo.
Nag-score na pa.
Oh, hindi na natin kailangan gumawa ng surprise kay Trisha.
Oo, na-surprise na siya ngayon.
Oo nga.
I go crazy. Crazy. I go crazy.
Damn, yung katalo
You
sa
turn it on.
Nang bibirit sa atin.
Isaac! Tatawagin tayo ni Kuya. Ano ba yung feeling?
Sabi, tawagin ko mamaya. Ano reaction mo sa sinabi niya? Alam ni Kuya eh.
Sinabi mo? Kanya?
Malamang. Kung ano nga daw secrets ko. Saka narinig niya yung mga H-to-H namin ni Kuya.
Inamin mo na. Ay, Fritz. Inamin niya, Fritz. Okay, kainin mo. Pag-amin mo, nakikita na sa'yo. Good job. Ba't kumain akong bawa?
Nalaman lang naman.
Ayoko ng bawa.
Nalaman lang naman niya.
Hindi lang.
Ivan, guwaping talaga. Hindi lang basta ano.
Jimmy!
BFF pa rin naman kami. Walang
Jimmy.
something.
Alam ko.
So talaga.
Masaya na ganyan ako, Fred.
Meron akong pinupusuan sa loob.
Pinupusuan. Oh my God, those big.
Ba't ganito na sa? Ako, meron na din ako niyan. BFF din.
Sigule. Hello.
Yo!
Hey, Castle!
Hey, Cousin!
Ang dami nga ng taga sa... Siguro ba yung magpapalala? Devon Carson. Hi, I'm Carson.
Hi. Hi, ikaw pala yan. Yan yung